Welcome to the final version of my code project for Matlab. We're going to start on level 4 so I can showcase all the features, since some features do require you to reach certain levels to unlock. Once we run the code, there's going to be a short how to play screen, but in this video I'll be doing that in depth so we can just press OK. You see that when the game starts, you're going to hear some music, 2 output as a figure, and also there's going to be an output in the command window. Let's talk about the command window first. Here, it will display relevant information about the game, such as the current level being loaded in and the level size. Now, for these two figures here, we have the shop where every level you complete, you can unlock special abilities and features to help you beat more levels. This figure here is the main game where you, the white square, must navigate through the maze to reach the grey square, which I call the flag. Let's just start by turning off the music so I can talk more clearly. Now, onto the main game. If you've ever played any computer games before, you may know that you can move with the WASD key or the arrows keys. The same case applies to my game. What's fun about my game is that every time you beat a level, it will prompt you a window to continue to the next level. If you would like to keep playing, click yes. Every level is unique and each level is harder than the last. There's also no score limit, so you can always beat your last score. However, the limit is your hardware capabilities and Matlab, since it could take a lot of time and memory to load bigger levels. Now, since I know mazes aren't the most enticing games, I've also added a little shop here that has a couple features worth mentioning. First, these 3 features here require to beat certain levels. As you can see, I need to beat 4 more levels to be able to toggle this. Right now, I'm on level 6, so all I could get is the player trail and the ghost mode. When I toggle on the player trail, you can see that it updates in the real game, and every time I move, I leave a different color behind me. That's pretty cool. With developer magic, I've put myself on level 16 so I can showcase the rest of the features. This one here is ghost mode. If you activate it, you can move through walls like this, which is pretty neat. Of course, if you don't want to use ghost mode anymore, you can just toggle it like the player trail and you'll be playing the game normally. And this one here, once you click it, you might think you got scammed since it doesn't seem to do anything, but you need to refresh the code just by moving anywhere so it updates. As you can see, it automatically beats the level for me. What's fun about the shop is that you can use all these an infinite amount of time without any limits. And of course, if you want music back in the game, you can use this button, which will play a random track between 2 songs. But of course, I'm gonna leave this off for now. If you do get bored of the game, you can press X on your keyboard, which will prompt this window asking if you really want to quit the game. You can press yes or no, but I think I've covered everything in this video, so we just press yes. It gives you a thank you screen and also the level that you've beaten. Once we press OK, it will successfully close the level, and that'll be it for the showcase. Thank you for watching.